techniques are used here. Yeah, this example shows an active antenna using polarimetric SAR data. This is NRSA area. You can see in the optical data 9 locations it is showing. But in the polarimetric SAR data, whichever is active, that is very clearly we can identify. That is the strength of the SAR data. And same technologies can be used for the active radar location identification also. So another thing is a high resolution DSM generation using multi-view images from CARTO 2C data, incorporating CNN based convolution neural network and the deep learning approaches, high quality digital surface model. Actually, we ADRIN have come up with the idea of, we don't have stereo satellites as on today. Only in the next generation, means ISBS 3 it is expected to have. So what we have done is making use of multiple acquisitions of the same location are available from the whatever strategic applications are being done by different agencies. Those we can make a stereo pair, taking an optimal look angles, plus 1 minus and plus look angles, and without much deviation in the dates, we can select make an stereo pair, even though it is not a intended stereo pair. Then we can go for height information also. And this AML model, whichever is now have been derived or we have solved this, it is giving very, very good quality digital elevation models of very small local areas. You can see the DEM digital elevation model is looking like exactly like an imagery. That sort of clarity and information content is coming. These are all, okay, so these are just some of the geospatial technologies with new digital technologies, how it has come. New space trends in India, I think I don't have to explain how the space reforms, regulatory bodies, policies, everything that all of you are aware of it. And ISRO as a technology enabler, how we are acting. So this is the new space trends in India. Similarly, the space domain, actually this I have taken from the PwC document of 2 years before with SIA and together PwC published. Very, very informative document like that. Actually what all, I would like to really congratulate Dr. Subbarao and team. What all documents are coming out after each meetings and conferences, it will be very, very useful. So as a head of an organization who is trying to do the effective utilization of satellite data for strategic applications, how to enable it. There are so many takeaways from these documents. So this is the need of the day. Government and private research institutes, private industries and defense, how tightly has to do work in collaboration. And for the MDO, these operations, multi-domain operations, to do it effectively with the state-of-the-art technologies. Now coming to this slide shows three ecosystems. One I was mentioning, the space ecosystem with the space reforms, space assets, stakeholders, etc. And then other one is the digital ecosystem with cyberspace and other digital technologies like AML, quantum, digitization, all these. And similarly, geospatial technologies with geospatial strategy. That itself is a big area to be adopted whenever we are going for the geospatial technology. So NGF, all this, and infrastructure, solution, stakeholder, all these together will make the geospatial ecosystem. And today, fusion of all these technologies are really giving the national geospatial information ecosystem today. Now, anyway, I already told autonomous geointersys. These are the trends today. Quantum computing, I did not showcase any results, even though some preliminary works are happening in the quantum computing and quantum encryption, all this. There is a project with ISRO funded with encryption. And then space-based intelligence. These are the new future trends in geointelligence. Yeah. So I want to just conclude an integrated integrated end-to-end approach of generating intelligence automatically using the wide range of remote sensing sensors, drones, technologies, maps, fusion of intelligence sources, AI, and smart applications is envisaged, and a paradigm shift is expected. Instead of a sensor-specific application, instead of that, a mission or sensor-driven analysis will be changing to an application or a goal-driven methodology. So anyway, I don't want to explain on the space for yesterday we heard DGDSA and also General Raman today he spoke about the defense of space also. Space for defense and defense of space both are actually emerging. Technologies are required to have solutions in both these domains. So how this integration of cutting-edge geospatial digital technologies has the potential to revolutionize, I just wanted to showcase some of the things which we have already incorporated. Thank you very much.
Good evening. I stand here with full responsibility of not standing between you and your evening program. So I will definitely curtail whatever I think I want to tell. You know that today's session started with the inaugural inspiring session, I should say, with special address by ABM Rahul Basin, Lieutenant General Manjit Singh, and scintillating speech by Honorable Governor of Uttarakhand. You know, they really set the pace for the session. If we say that, okay, that inaugural session was inspiring, obviously we always believe one that starts well will always end well. So we started today's session extremely well, and we have ended today's session also extremely well. So we had some interesting sessions, mainly driven by applications. I generally say that whenever we talk about the space and satellite technology, or it's a rocket science, we devoted the whole day outside the rocket science, because it was all mostly on the application side, which is a very good thing. So we had a technical brief on the use of space-enabled data for various defense applications, and also for the homeland security, things like that. We just witnessed the 3 sessions before the valedictory address. 3 sessions mainly devoted to security. Obviously, whenever we talk about data, importance of the data, we need to secure those data. So we had the 3 excellent sessions on the importance of the securing such things for us. Then when we talk about all these things, obviously we recognize the importance of opportunities for the people. So we had a very detailed and dedicated session on innovations, funding, and opportunities. And it was chaired by none other than by Lieutenant General Kandare, and it was very well received. As a befitting to today's session, we had excellent valedictory address by Dr. Radhadevi, Director ADRIN. As I mentioned, if you see, all these programs were very nicely curated. The flow of thoughts, eminent personalities who chaired the sessions, eminent speakers who presented eloquently. It could not happen if there are no back-end people working very well. So I must congratulate the organizing committee who toiled in bringing out this agenda so well. And we should mention here the involvement of General Pannusab, who is the guiding force for all these things, and who has been instrumental in creating such a nice program. I also must mention here that generally when we say that food is good, food will tastier better if it is presented well. In the same way, all the sessions were curated well, well thought out speakers we had, presented well, and it would not have been very good without the participation of so many people since beginning. So, big thanks to one and all. Thank you very much. An announcement that tomorrow we will start at 9:30. Since we have ended ahead of schedule because of me, I request everybody to be on schedule tomorrow morning at 9:30. Thank you.